Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm just going to build this Bronco. This isn't a review or anything. I picked this up at Walmart. They actually had them on clearance for $5, so if you guys are around a Walmart, you might want to run in and see if they've got any models in there, because they had a ton of them, all for $5. I bought a bunch. I really like the old Broncos, and I just kind of want to have some fun with this kit, so just a pretty straightforward video. If any of you have built this kit recently, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know down in the comments below. And also, remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button down below. It helps the channel and I'd really appreciate it. Be sure to check out all of my links down in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now, and that'll take you to my links page. So with all that out of the way, let's get the box open and get to the build. Okay, so real quick, we've got some primer on the body. The body on this is pretty nice, not a lot of cleanup needed. I've got my frame, my suspension, and my exhaust all put together. Okay, not the greatest, but for its age, and considering when this kit was originally published, not bad. Got my engine put together. I'm not going to do anything fancy on this one, just a real basic paint job on the engine and stuff, but so far, so good. Right, so I have my frame and chassis pretty much done. I've added my exhaust, I've painted everything in just a flat black primer basically, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to pick out some details. I'm going to add some rust to the exhaust here. I've already done a bit of dry brushing to kind of highlight certain areas, and that's looking pretty good. Got my base color painted on my interior. Now for this, trying out this Cobra motor paints from Ammo, and this is brown leather. And I have to say, it actually sprayed on really well. I've got some satin clear coat on here right now. I'm waiting to dry so I can do a little more detailing. So if you see the streaks in there, that's why. It hasn't dried all the way yet. But overall, I love the color. And I'm going to do some detailing with a little bit of a brown wash in there. I think that'll bring out the detail and look really nice. So happy with that. Then for the body, I've got my body base color painted up. Now for this, I found this in the discount bin at the hobby store. This is Mission Models Pearl Root Beer Brown, and just a really nice color. I really like how it came out on the body. I don't know if the camera's picking up, but it's got a nice little pearl to it. It just looks really nice. I've also picked out some details. I did a little black wash there on the grill, some black wash through the door jambs and the little areas where normally it'd look black. I used my chrome pen to do the wiper blades, the door locks, and the handles. And then I used my chrome pen to put some chrome where the light is there, and then used some transparent orange from Tamiya just to make the light stand out there. Like how that came out. I also put some chrome where the taillights are going to be, just so they're not so dark. All right, so everything's looking good, so on with the build. And here it is, friends, the 1982 Ford Bronco from MPC. As I said in the beginning, this is just a fun, quick build for me. This isn't a review or anything, but I will say this is actually a really nice kit. And for the price, $5, which is what I paid for it at Walmart, you really can't beat it. The kit actually has some really nice details. I really love how the frame is all separate. It's not just one piece of plastic on the bottom. The fuel tank's there, all the drive lines there, the engine details there. I mean, it's not perfect, but for what it is, it's a really nice kit. And I had fun building it, and I just did my own version of this, and it kind of looks to me like a Bronco that I would drive. You know, it's not plain Jane stock, but it's not too over the top. The interior detail is actually really good. You can see in the pictures from the slideshow that the interior came out really nice. The decals are really nice on this kit, even though I didn't use a whole bunch of them. That's fine. I'll use them on something else, but they're really good quality decals. So that's going to do it for this video, friends. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button down below, that would be great. And until next time, friends, everyone just be safe out there and go build something.